చెప్పు.
Hi everyone, this is Isaac Pravimal studying in 8th class from B. Ram Preetha Reddy International School. Today I am going to explain one social project, Champaran Movement. Champaran Movement took place on 19th April 1917 in Champaran district in Bihar state. Champaran Movement is organized by Gandhi, Braj Kishore Prasad, Rajendra Prasad, Anurag Narayan Sinha and so many others. The Champaran Satyagraha of 1917 was the first Satyagraha movement led by Gandhiji in India. Champaran movement is the first Satyagraha movement led by Gandhiji in 1917 in India. And farmers uprising took place in Champaran district of Bihar during the British colonial period. Farmers were revolt took place in Champaran district in Bihar state during the British colonial period. The farmers were protesting against having to grow indigo. Indigo means it is a type of crop. So farmers were protesting. Protesting means revolted against having to grow indigo. When Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa in 1915, saw peasants in northern India oppressed by indigo planters. When Gandhiji returned from South Africa to India in 1915, he saw the problems of farmers. Peasants means farmers. Here oppressed means revolted by indigo planters. He tried to use the same methods that he had used in South Africa to protest injustice. He is trying to use the same methods when he was in the South Africa to protest the injustice, means without justice. It gave direction to India's youth and freedom struggle between moderates and extremists from Bengal who used violent methods to topple the British colonials in India. Direction to India's youth means freedom to small age people, and freedom struggle means very hardly he got freedom between moderates and the extremists from Bengal. They used violent methods, means not good methods they used. The topple means killing. Topple the British colonials, killing the British colonials in India. Under colonial era laws, many tenant farmers were forced to grow some indigo on a portion of their land as a condition of their tenancy. See, colonial era laws is a type of laws. Under the colonial era laws, many tenant means farmers which work on another's land. Tenant farmers were forced to grow some indigo, means indigo planters are forced the tenant farmers to grow indigo on the indigo planters land as the condition of the tenancy. Tenancy means rented land. This indigo was used to make dye. Dye means it is cloth. Dye, it is a cloth. This is indigo is used to make a dye cloth. It is used to make cloth. The Germans had invented a cheaper artificial dye, so the demand for indigo fell. Germans invented one cheaper artificial dye, so that demand for indigo will decrease. That's why they invented this cheaper artificial silk. During the First World War, the German dye ceased to be available, so indigo became profitable again. Here, ceased means banned. When the First World War began, the Germans' artificial dye is decreed, ceased, and again indigo profitable. Demand is became very increased. These many tenants were once again forced to grow indigo. Here again indigo planters is forced the tenants to grow the indigo. Because of this, the farmers created anger and resentment. Resentment means it is a type of angry. So this is my project. Thank you.